function queue or row. So here what does this do is by when let's say this is called my function, right? Function. You can change it to anywhere you want. Let's say you want to a chorus of your tune or song you're making. Let's say that it's a chorus, and then let's say you already build a music of instrument that you want here. You already made a beat or a tune that you already create. So all you need to do is let's say this is the chorus. Now that all now this will only do is the thing that only the function role or function row will do is when you have already a bunch of instrument that you already built, and let's say you don't want to connect this to here, you don't want to see that, or let's say you're making a whole song and you don't want to build so much instrument that it overflows here all to the bottom, right? Like here, like this one. You see it's so long and don't want to see all of it because you want to add another tune or another instrument at the end of the song that you're creating, right? So let's say now all you need to do is use the roll function. This is the function, and by getting this, you can see when we put chorus to this bunch of instrument that we build, this will show up here. Now this all of in this let's say folder, in this folder or in this part, all of it inside is here. So in other words, all of these instruments are already in here. So when we connect it with here, we'll show all of the instrument connected in here. So let's say this is the chorus, and let's grab another one and we can put it inside here, and let's say this is the pre-chorus. Now that is the pre-chorus that we want. So all of this thing, all of this inside will be in here. Say now, you can see. So let me prove to you that all of inside here is the same thing as in here. So all you can check by, let's say this, and let's have a duplicate of that. Have it that and duplicate of this. Now both of these are the same, right? So in order to prove to you that all of these are in here, as you can see, we already connect here pre-chorus in here when run, and this is that. So when I connect it, they should be the same. As you can see, only 2 instrument and 3 instrument. So yeah, so let's say we want to connect the chorus. So yeah, so the purpose of this is by when you're building a long song or you want to create or you want to add more, so you don't have to scroll downward to get to the last instrument that you already input to input another one. So all you can do is grab another instrument and you can put it under. See, here it is. Say we want to add we will add some at the end. So you can see, all of the work that we've done, or all the work that we've done, can be shortened into this. You can put it in a function row that will shorten it into a own function that you already built. So that's how you can use it. So you can pretty much use it as much as you want. You can create another one. Say, let's say you want to add this again after adding another instrument or the chorus part. You can just add it at the bottom, or connect it at the bottom of your works. As you can see, this is the last part that we add, and we also add another chorus, which is this. So we add another bunch of instrument that will be played. Yeah, let's share this. As you can see, all of the song that we connect is pretty much short, right? You can see what is the instruments, but the work that we done is so long, almost 47 seconds. So that's how much you use the row function. You can use it as much as you want. You can put instrument as much as you want. You can add anything, any instrument, any beat, any tone that you want to the function row. So you can use it by not confusing yourself or not being overwhelmed by the long instrument that you created here. You can use it by splitting each part of the song that you want to create into, let's say, the start, the middle, or the final part, or you want to, in short, you want to use a chorus, pre-chorus, and the end of the song that you want to create. So that's pretty much how much you can use the function row.